Hi students, good morning. In the last Zoom class, we will discuss about progressions chapter. In the progressions, arithmetic progressions and also completed the first 5 problems. See, next one is 8 is the term of an AP 1 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, so on. Okay, so it is a AP, already they are given, it is an arithmetic progression. Is 8 is the term of this AP. Okay, see suppose 8 is a term of this AP, then you have to find out the value of n. Suppose n is a positive integer, then 8 is the term of this sequence. Otherwise 8 is not a term of this sequence. Okay, see here, first write down the given data. Given first term, that is A equal to 1 by 3. D means difference between a second term and first term. 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 4 minus 1 by 3 equal to 3 by 3. 3 by 3 equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, A equal to 1 by 3 and D equal to 1. Also they are given 8. Suppose it is considered as a term of this sequence, then it will becomes Tn. Tn equal to 8. We have to find out the value of n. See, already we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term of AP. Okay. Now Tn equal to 8. A equal to 1 by 3 plus, you don't know the value of n. N minus 1 into 1. Okay. See now 8 minus 1 by 3 equal to n minus 1. Therefore 3 is the LCM. 8 3s are 24. Minus 1 equal to n minus 1. 24 minus 1 is 23. 23 by 3 equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n equal to 23 by 3 minus 1 will becomes plus. Okay. Again 3 is the LCM. 23 plus 3 into 1, 3. n equal to 23 plus 3 is 26. 26 by 3. See, a 26 by 3 means it is not a positive integer. It is a fraction. Positive only, but it is a fraction. Okay. Therefore, it is not a term of this sequence. Okay. See here, n is always an integer. Okay. Then only 8 becomes the term of this sequence. N is always positive integer. Here n equal to 26 by 3. It is a fraction. Therefore 8 is not the term of given AP. Suppose if you get a positive integer, then 8 is the term of this given AP, but here n is a fraction. Therefore, 8 is not the term of this given arithmetic progression. Next one, 7th one. Next one, find the 3 numbers which are in AP whose sum is 18 and their product is 210. Okay. So here we have to find out the 3 numbers which are in arithmetic progression whose sum is 18 and their product is 210. For that, first we have to consider the 3 terms. Okay. Let the 3 terms be, let the 3 terms be, or 3 numbers be. Okay. See, suppose arithmetic sequence means what? A plus 3, A plus 2D, like that. Okay. Here A a plus d, previous term that is a minus d. Now you will get a common difference. Okay, a minus d, a plus d. Given whose sum is 18. Means sum of these three numbers equal to 18. A minus d plus a plus d equal to 18. Sum of these three numbers equal to 18. Plus d minus d gets cancels. A plus a, that is 3a. 3a equal to 18. A equal to 18 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 6 are 18. Therefore, a equal to 6. Next, other condition is their product is 210. So here a minus d into a plus d equal to 210. Okay, already we know the value of a. Substitute here. First here a into a minus d into a plus d, that is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square equal to 210. Now substitute the value of a. A equal to 6. 6 into 6 square minus d square equal to 210. 6 square is 36. 36 minus d square equal to 210 by 6. 210 by 6 is, next, see, 36 minus d square equal to 210 by 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30. Okay, now d square equal to, see here, 36 plus 35 will becomes minus 35. D square equal to 36 minus 35 is 1. Therefore, d equal to plus or minus 1. D equal to square root of 1, which means d equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, here you will get two values. One if d equal to plus 1, other one is if d equal to minus 1. Okay, see, when a equal to 6 and d equal to plus 1. Okay, then the numbers are a minus d. A is 6. 6 minus 1 comma 6. 6 plus 1. That is 6 minus 1 is 5, 6, 7. Therefore, the required numbers are 5, 6, 7. Next, when a equal to 6, d equal to minus 1, then the required numbers are, d minus a minus d. 6 minus of minus 1, 6, 6 plus minus 1. Okay, that is 6 minus of minus 1 means minus into minus plus. 6 plus 1, 7, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. Therefore, the numbers are 5, 6, 7 or 7, 6, 5. Next, 8th one. The sum of 4 numbers which are in AP is 28 and 10 times the least number is 4 times the greatest number. Find the numbers. Okay, in the last problem we are considering 3 numbers, but in this one 4 numbers. Okay, therefore consider the numbers. Let the 4 numbers be, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Okay, now you will get 2d as a common difference. A minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. I am considering only these numbers because see here plus 3d minus 3d plus d minus d will get cancelled and you can easily get the a value. Okay, therefore we are considering only these numbers. Okay, now what is the given condition? First condition is the sum of four numbers is 28. So here a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d equal to 28. Plus 3d minus 3d cancel, minus d plus d gets cancelled. A plus a plus a plus a, that is 4a. 4a equal to 28. A equal to 28 by 4. Therefore 28 by 4 is 7. Therefore the value of a is 7. Next one, other condition is 10 times the least number is 4 times the greatest number. See here, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus 3d, a plus 3d. These are the given 4 numbers. In this one, a minus 3d is the least number, a plus 3d is the greatest number. See here, 10 times the least number. 10 into least number is a minus 3d equal to 4 times the greatest number. 4 into greatest number is a plus 3d. Okay. Now 10 into a is 10a minus 10 into 3 30d equal to 4a plus 4 3s are 12d. Okay. Now see here, 10a plus 4a becomes minus 4a equal to 12d plus 30d. Minus 30d becomes plus 30d. 30 plus 12, that is 42. 42d equal to 10a minus 4a is 6a. Okay, therefore 42d equal to 6 into a value is 7. D equal to 6 sevens are 42 divided by 42. 42 ones are 42 ones are. Therefore D equal to 1. Okay, therefore the required numbers are see here, a minus 3d, a value is 7. 7 minus 3 into 1, 7 minus 3d, a minus d, 7 minus 1, a plus d, 7 plus 1, a plus 3d, 7 plus 3 into 1. Okay, that is 7 minus 4. Sorry, 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 3, 10. Therefore, the numbers are 4, 6, 8, 10. Next problem is find the sum of 15 elements of an AP 4, 5, 6, 7, 18, so on. So here the given sequence is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We have to find out the sum of 15 elements of this sequence. Okay. By using SN formula. See what is the given sequence is 4, 5. Means A equal to 4. D equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 1. A equal to 4. D equal to 1. Sum of 15 elements means n equal to 15. We have to find out the value of S15. Okay. We know the formula for Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find out the sum of n elements of AP. Yes, 15 equal to n by 2. That is 15 by 2 into 2a. A value is 4 plus n minus 1. 15 minus 1 into d. D equal to 1. Equal to 15 by 2 into 4 2s are 8 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 1, 14 equal to 15 by 2 into 14 plus 8. That is 22. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are. Therefore, that is 15 into 11, 165. Therefore, sum of 15 elements of given AP is 160. See next 10th one. Evaluate 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus so on plus 61. See plus means what? Sum of these elements. 3 plus 5 plus 7. So here 3 plus 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. You will get the same difference, which means these are in AP. Okay. We have to find out the sum of all these elements. Here we don't know the value of n. Means number of terms in this sequence. First we have to find out the number of terms. Next Sn. Okay. See here. A equal to 3. First term is 3. D equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. See here. Last term means Tn equal to 61. First we have to find out the value of n. Okay. Therefore, we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Last term, that is 61 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into D. D value is 2. Okay. 61 minus 3 equal to 2 into n, 2n minus 2. Okay. 61 minus 3, that is 58 equal to 2n minus 2. Therefore, 2n equal to 58 plus 2. 2n equal to 60. n equal to 60 by 2. Therefore, n equal to 30. Therefore, the total number of terms in this sequence is 30. Okay. We have to find out the sum of 30 elements of this sequence. Means we have to find out S30. Okay. See, we know the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus n. If you know the last term, then we can use this formula A plus L. Okay. Here n value is 30. Okay. N equal to 30 divided by 2 into A plus L. A value is 3. See here Tn equal to L, last term. Okay. A equal to 3, Tn equal to L equal to 61. Okay. Therefore, 3 plus 61. 30 by 2 is 15 into 61 plus 3 is 64. 15 plus into 64, that is 960. Therefore, sum of 30 elements of given AP is 960. Okay. If you know the last term, then we can use this formula Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Otherwise, we can use this formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Thank you, students.